On this video, I'm going to show you how to use this vegetable chopper and your microwave to significantly reduce the amount of time it takes to make home fries. But first, before we get to that, let's take a close look at what this multi-purpose chopper can do. One of the first things to notice is that it comes with a protective glove. This is an important feature since the mandolin blades are razor sharp. I'll be wearing the glove throughout this video as a reminder to always use it for safety. When slicing vegetables with the mandolin, you can adjust the thickness by moving the platform up or down. I'll demonstrate by slicing a tomato and an onion so you can see how well it works. And as you can see, it does an excellent job. Now let me show you how I use this vegetable chopper to make delicious home fries. After washing the potatoes, I slice them into 1/2 inch slabs and use the large cube chopper to create potato cubes about 1/2 inch square, the perfect size for parboiling in a microwave. I use the same blade to chop up the onions and the bell peppers. The potatoes take about 10 minutes in my microwave to soften, just right for home fries. Once they're ready, I heat up peanut oil in a frying pan to at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I add the potatoes. After about 5 or 6 minutes, I toss in the onions and the bell peppers. And in about 10 minutes, I have a pan full of delicious home fries. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It helps more people discover it. Thanks for watching.